Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Carly's Crafts and Interests. My name is Carly and today I'm going to be showing you how to make cute little soaps with this cute little kitty soap mold. What you do is you pour on the back of them and then you take it out and then you can see the whole kitty afterwards. Now for this you're going to need some soap base. You can get it pre-cut. You can use glycerin blocks. That's all okay. Now, on my stove over here, I have got my little metal jug, and I've got these pieces that I have cut, and they're melting. And I can always cut a little bit more. If you buy the block kind, it kind of, when you cut it, kind of cuts like a candle. If you use up old, it kind of reminds you of that. Only of it is soap base. I believe it's shea butter that I'm using here. You can use glycerin. You can use a couple different soap bases, and I'm just getting it to. I've got it on like a medium heat. Don't put it on high heat because you don't want to burn it, and that will really smell really bad and everything. And for this also, I'm going to be doing 3 different things. I have got these mica powders. Got these from our favorite place, Amazon. I've got my box of glitters. I got these from the dollar store. You can also get them from craft stores. Get them off Amazon too if you would like to. And we also have dried flowers. So, as you can see, I got 1, 2, 3. Each one will have a different one. Now, if you're only doing like 3 of the same, then they're all going to look alike. You can just put your material that you're going to be using, like this mica powder, into your pot here that I have. This little, it's not a little pot, it's like a little jug. All together. But since I'm doing something different in each one, I don't want to do that because otherwise I'll just have, crazy soaps, and that might look kind of cool, but I don't want to do that today. So, this is melting really well. I have this on my stove is 6. I wouldn't go above that. I'm just waiting for this to all be, when it melts down, it will look it will look like milk. Well, of course it isn't, but it will look like it. And that's when you know it's done. Nearly at the point where I can pour. What it is, I got this old pan here. It's old, and been through the wars of baking here. I'm just going to get this prepared here. So you can see, see, it's all prepared there. Because it's going to be ready to be poured in. You don't need a lot of soap base for a little mold like this. Different molds are different depths and different widths, of course, and so sometimes you need a full cup in your little jug, and sometimes you can just have a third of it, a jug, or even less. It just depends on how big that mold is. because you don't want to fill it. You know, you could, but you know, it just doesn't look that great if you do. So now, that is nice and milky as I like. Gonna turn off my stove. Got my oven glove because it's hot. Here it is. It's all inside there. And I'm going to just pour into my kitty molds. So it looks, and so it looks like this. Like you can see, all nice and melted in there. Now I gotta act a little bit fast because this will start to set up. And I'm going to choose, how about dark blue for my mica powder, or maybe this one because I've already opened it to be easier. Yeah, I'm going to dab a little bit in. Okay. And then stir it in. I'm stirring in the molds. Trying to do it as neatly as I can. So it mixes inside the mold. Maybe just a tiny bit more. And then I'm going to do the next one. I'm going to do glitter. Just going to shake it out. Over the mold. Then lastly, put some loose shells in here. Let's see. How about if I crush up these peonies. Now if you hear kitty noises, that's because I have 2 cats. And they are always interested in what I'm doing. I usually kick them out. This time they now see it in. So that is what you hear. Otherwise, if you hear little jingly bells, that's them. Okay. Close off the mic, close it. Alright. I've got my 3 here. Like this. 1, 2, 3. And then the next step, and to finish things off, take it to the fridge. Wash my hands a minute. And that's basically all you have to do. Just wait about, I would say about 20 minutes. And when you're all done, you'll have your little kitty soaps. You simply tip them over, pull them out, and then you'll have these cute little soaps. And you can do them in a variety of different ways, different materials, as you saw. You don't have to use dry flowers like I did. You don't have to use glitter. Just, something that, you could have them just be dyed with what I have dyes as well. You can make them smell good if you would like to. I didn't bother with that step this time, but you can if you would want to. It's a fun craft. It's something that you could do with older kids, perhaps, if you wanted to. Or if you have very responsible younger kids, but not on their own, because of the stove. Because you don't want them to burn themselves. But it's fun, quick, and easy. Sorry, got a little bit thirsty there. And I hope you enjoyed this craft. And stick with me for more. I do have a few more. I've got a lot of... I'm a person who loves to try out different crafts. And if it turns out pretty good for me, and this one did when I tried it out, then I will share it with you. And till then, hope you have a great day. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. It really would help my little channel. It is a little channel, I know that. And if you have, I'm glad you have. Glad to have you. And, tell people about this little channel if they like crafts. If they, I'm just, a person who enjoys them. Enjoys sharing them. But till then, have a great day. And bye for now.